Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Marie.
J. Marie. How old are you?
3.
You're 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of stuff do you like to do?
Play some soccer ball and kick my own ball like this.
You like to kick your own ball like that?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
Some cereal and meatballs.
Some what?
Some meatballs and cereal.
Meatballs and cereal.
Yeah.
Have you ever ate a meatball before?
Yeah.
When?
When I eat it and I get some eggs.
Oh. What is your who's your favorite person?
Yaya.
Yaya?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's that? Your cousin?
Yeah.
What about who's your favorite person, mommy or daddy? Mommy?
Mhm.
What do you like to do with mommy?
Play with you and stuff and you and play with you.
Yeah. What do you like to do with daddy?
Play with soccer balls and play with pumpkins and football pumpkins right there.
Oh.
Whoa.
What's your favorite song to sing?
Yeah, 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 that sounds like this. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh. Do you like to sing Oh My Gosh, Becky?
Yeah, oh my gosh, Becky. Oh my gosh, Becky.
What's your favorite TV show?
Watching elephants.
Elephants? What show is that?
My sisters. I want to take a picture.
No, not right now. What TV show do you like to watch?
Elephant show.
No. What's your favorite TV show? You like Mickey Mouse Clubhouse?
Yeah, Mickey Mouse.
Or Caillou?
Caillou.
Can you pretend like you're Caillou? What does Caillou do? How do you like to dance? Show me how you like to dance.